Hey viewers, as you can see, I have the internet speed meter installed in my PC. So in this video, I am going to show you how we can install the internet speed meter and add to the taskbar. So to me, internet speed meter is the best software for this purpose. But installing this is little hard. But don't worry, I will be make it easy for you. So I am going to the filehouse.com. So this is the website from where I am downloading the software. I will add the link in the video description. You don't need to be worried. Just scroll down and you will get the download link. Okay, download internet speed meter 64-bit latest version. Okay, I am downloading the 64-bit version as my device is 64-bit. But if your device is 32-bit, download the 32-bit version. Okay, I am downloading the 64-bit version. So let's click in the download version, download button, and the net speed meter will be downloaded. So as you can see, my software is downloading. So this is the desired software here, and first of all I need to uninstall my previous software. So I'm uninstalling this software. So it's going to be uninstalled or removed from my device. So after that you have to right click on the software and go to the properties. After going to the properties, you have to go to the compatibility. So after going to the compatibility, here you can see here I have ticked here run this program in compatibility mode. If your option here is not ticked, just tick this software and select this option, and that's okay, and apply and save. After that, just double click on the software and next, next, accept, next, 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 and it will be installed in your PC. So select yes. As you can see, this is installed in my PC. In my case it worked at the first attempt, but in your case it may not work properly at the first attempt. So what you have to do, you have to reinstall the software in the same process, then you will get it here in your taskbar. So now what to do, you have to go to the configuration. So after going to the configuration, you have to select one of the options from here. If you are using your gigabit LAN cable, then you have to select this option. As I am using a gigabit LAN cable, so I am using this option. And if you are using wireless, then select the wireless of, or you try this the last option, Wi-Fi direct virtual adapter. So just try these four options, one of them will work for you. You can also configure the system from here, the kbps, the bitrate kbps here, and you can see the data traffic from here. As you can see, all the data usage history is shown here. So that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. See you next time.